morning, big kids. Got my spark plug, my handy dandy box opener. This was sitting here ready for me this morning. Obviously, some parts because it's from good old Western Powersports. And Western Powersports is next day to us. Yesterday was either really long or I was not paying attention at all because I don't even remember making a Western order yesterday. Yeah. So this is like Christmas. I'm curious on what goodies came in today that are ready to rock and roll. Hopefully it's something for service. I would only assume it's for service. There's the cheat sheet, and I don't want to be surprised. Oh yeah, a bunch of tubes. That's right. I did order some tubes. Holy cow, did I order some tubes. Tubes were on sale, so I did pick up a bunch of tubes. A lot of 12s, a lot of 14s, a lot of 19s, a lot of 21s. Burn it, hit it, get them post, get them. Just get them rock and rolling. That's all I got. The best is when a part sells quickly. Once you get it off the machine, you get it listed on eBay, and then it sells like immediately. That's the best. Because it's always on top at that point. It's not buried under years and years or months of other parts. Boom, right on top. Bam, bam, get it out of here. Some of you OG big kids remember this deal. I just looked it up. It's like 5 months ago, we bought over 80 used motocross tires. And remember, if I've got footage of it, I'll bring it up right now. It was stacks of used dirt bike tires, and we're down to the last, I don't know, dozen of them here, maybe 10, about a dozen of them. Another one sold today, so I gotta dig that out. But the pile is way easier to deal with. I'm not dealing with just monstrosity stacks of them. But yes, used dirt bike tires. Made some good money on that stuff, so interested. If you got big stacks of moto tires, if you're a racer and you're burning through them this year and you only race them, you only use tires for a few races, stack them up. Let me know. I'm looking to buy. $5-10 a piece, somewhere in there, depending on the condition. Let's do it. The people of the internet are full of useful information. A lot of it's not useful information, but there's a lot of good, useful information out there. I don't know everything in the world, okay? I don't even know everything that has to do with power sports, right? Some places only deal with Skidoo, Yamaha, Honda, whatever, this one, that one. We deal with all of it, all makes and models, all different sports, years. There's a ton of stuff out there, right? We had a couple little Honda Hawks come through. And I don't know a ton about Honda Hawks, but I know the shit that I had was worth money. Parted them, put them out there, did the proper measurements. Right now, I've got a guy looking at a cylinder and piston that we have. The cylinder measured out to be 82 millimeters. So this guy's like, no one's going to buy an 82 millimeter piston if you don't have the cam that goes with it. And then went in it's like heavily modified, and they'd have to use, if you look at the cam, there should be either welds on it where they beefed it up or a number on there where it says, I don't know that. Now I do. Now I'm like a Honda Hawk expert, right? I've just sucked up all this information like a sponge. The next guy that comes through the door downstairs, I might regurgitate that information back to him, and I'm gonna look like a Honda genie. But really, some guy on eBay told me. I just beat the speedy driver by like seconds. Hung up with a customer, got that packaged, boxed, the label on it, slapping a label on it, and ding dong, there's the speedy guy. That thing's out of here. It would be there tomorrow if it wasn't a weekend. but it doesn't matter. It'll be there Monday. That's super quick. Super quick. Got my little baby pit bike rims all trued. Oh, they're just spinning smooth, man. Butter. Are they absolutely perfect? Probably not, but I mean, they're pretty gosh darn close, right? I could spend another few hours on there and like really dial it in, but for pit bike tires and rims, I think we are good. We are good. Alright, bye-bye shop. All done for the weekend. Nice end to the week. Couple quick last minute things that happened at the end of the day. Couple good things, couple bad things, couple things that I wish we would have figured out, but we didn't. But next week, man. Next week's the week. But yeah, all in all, good week, and yeah, it's over now. So I'm out on the road. I'm out.